the fuck is up? Welcome back to Dirtbag Chef. I'm Scotty B from Jesus Chrysler. I got Queen Hot Chocolate 2018, Taylor McNallie here.
2018, 2019 it expires.
I fucked some shit up. Alright, today we're making blue Kool-aid, breaded watermelon chunks, and we're gonna make some bacon purple drank barbecue chicken bites just to get real fucking, you know,
Fancy.
Here we're gonna make a little sauce with the blue Kool-aid. But you know, it's not all about cooking, it's about some dirtbaggery. So tell me what you've been up to. What's new? What's good?
Oh, man.
What have you been listening to?
Oh, okay. Well, I've been listening to a lot of abstract sonnets.
Okay.
My homie Tyler. Very heavy dubstep, drum a bit. He fucking mixes it all up. Put some trap up in there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's good shit.
No man no want that. Every man want go at heaven. Rise up the 357. Send boy straight up at heaven. 9x9. Shotgun beat my 11.
And then I just found this band Leandra out
Okay.
of, I think they're from Red Deer, Edmonton. They played
Cool.
at
Virgins.
Days of the Dead Festival. Fucking amazing, super technical shit.
Nice.
You're darn tootin'.
Hang out.
You're just Alberta trash. You can't fucking, you can't get away from this beautiful place, alright?
Damn it.
We just drive around with our windows down with the heat fucking on, just yelling Alberta at the environment. Fuck you! Oil!
Yeah.
You can call me a dirty son of a bitch, but if you ever call me daddy again, I'll finish this fight.
Yeah, it looks a little chunky. Maybe it's because you left that umbilical cord in there.
You know what?
We
It's
eat chicken
fucking
babies.
It's egg protein. Make sure you separate your eggs properly, or don't. I'm not the fucking boss of you.
Leave some shell in there.
Leave some shell in there too. It's good in case you die. You'll grow extra fast in the garden.
Science. Well,
I think it's science. I saw something today that was like scientists have discovered that you'll believe anything that scientists say they
it's
discovered.
true, man.
Yeah.
It's true.
Fuck you, science.
I gotta call the fucking scientist because like I gotta check my facts.
Which one would you call, man? There's
What do you mean which one? There's only one.
There's only
one.
It's just like they.
The scientist.
The scientist.
Like El Mariachi. The scientist.
Oh,
All
you're
right.
putting the blue drink in there.
Well, fuck.
Shit.
We gotta get it blue in here.
No, I'm afraid I just blew myself.
This is science.
Oh, we have no idea what we're doing, by the way. Clearly, we think this is science.
There's gotta be a better way to say that.
I'm digging it.
Little you.
One for the homies.
One for the homies. Yeah. Mainline that shit. We gonna fuck shit up. Yo, I went out to the bar one night and fucking, it was a white trash party and I brought packets of Kool-Aid. I was ordering vodka sodas and pouring my blue Kool-Aid powder in there. People were like, whoa, where could I get one of those? I was like, fucking Safeway, you asshole.
Ain't mine.
Bartender got mad at me for not bringing enough for everyone.
Wow.
I think he should have minded his fucking business because I tip good. So.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh, man.
Oh, I can just eat that batter.
God damn.
Let's just drink this.
Woo.
Get real. Enriched. I don't know what the fuck is.
I'm a rich bitch. I'm motherfucking rich bitch.
So what? So you've been doing interviews at festivals and emceeing and all kinds of shit.
Yeah. And then now I just started Taylor Made Radio.
I like
I'm on
that.
episode 5 right now.
In depth. I saw that actually. You did one with my boy True Knot.
I fucking love him.
He's fucking amazing.
Love him so
that guy.
much.
I ran into him beatboxing on the street with a loop pedal and a single PA outside the gym, and I was like, motherfucker, please. And it was so good.
History repeats itself, mystery defeats the elf effect. Santa Claus slaves keep the shelves in check. Metapause phase, keep ourselves erect. Then we crossfade, the sound reflects.
Let's get fucking rolling.
Yeah.
All right, we got the coconut oil. That'll be nice for the watermelon. You know, they're part of the same family, the tropical fruit or whatever. Ironically, good for body lotion, lubricant, fucking eating, I don't know, oiling your coconuts, whatever the fuck you do with coconut oil. If they're dry, just get in there. Always go for the big tub. It's a fucking, no, there's no dick holes in it. Some fingerprints though, huh?
Okay.
We got bacon fucking diced up in the pot there. We're gonna get that as the base for our barbecue sauce because, I mean, you know, a healthy helping of bacon grease is always good. Get this oil heating up. Remember, if you're cooking with coconut oil, Don't go as hot as you usually would because its burning point is like 20% quicker than this shit. Yellow stuff. You know.
Yellow drink?
Y'all know what it is. Yellow drink. Oh my god.
Oh man, the building is on fire. I said, no, what? We ain't gonna be in no fire, not today.
Remember, you can always use more flour to thicken your sauce up if you're trying to avoid flour because you're gluten-free or whatever. Use cornstarch. It's good for you. Corn swears by it.
Or just stop being a little bitch.
Stop being a little bitch and just shit yourself when you're not eating like a fucking real man.
Is everything all right in there?
It's fine.
Shit. And you make it too thick. They got this shit called water these days. I know none of you fucking alcoholics ever drink any of it, but it comes out of the taps here. That's nice. Oh yeah. How's our bacon doing?
Oh, yes.
Sizzling? Sizzling, boy. Toss a bunch of these all up in here.
Oh, yeah. Mix it good. Looks
Watermelon.
like chicken.
Looks like chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Chicken of the tree. What? Alright, one of you. Oh, yeah.
Feel the heat.
Feel it.
Yeah,
As
like
extra
the
sauce.
gravy.
The gravy, if you will. The gravy of the watermelon. That's a real thing now. You just learned. Well, yeah, this is step one. We're just figuring shit out. I'm like the first monkey flown into space. But, you know, not so much an astronaut as an asshole.
What have you been up to?
What have I been up to?
Yeah.
I've been fucking around with that Jesus Chrysler shit. We got tons of new music on the way, which is going to be awesome.
Come on, baby, come on, get it together now.
You thought our last shit was catchy. This is like bananas.
Banana.
Oh, stuck on it.
Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-N.
Alright, we gotta get working on our sauce here once I get these chunks in here. I'm stoked on that. Right? That's a handsome boy. Alright, here's our bacon sauce that we got started up here. A little bit of bacon grease sizzling. Very good. We're gonna go ahead and add some random no-name brand chicken and rib sauce, because
Of course.
that's what we're fucking around with today.
Oh, yeah.
And to that, we're gonna add some no-name brand purple Jello. Feel free to use your favorite purple drink, coating syrup, tussin, Dimetap. Fuck with it. Personally,
Fucks with it.
we gotta go to work later, so we didn't want to have sleepy time chicken if you're using that ZQuil. But we got that purple,
Sprinkle.
that good. Oh,
Yeah.
one for the homies. Right?
Damn, the whole thing.
Damn.
Ain't
Oh yeah,
fucking
we're
around.
not fucking around. Oh no, not even a little bit. Give that a stir. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, you can smell how good that is, eh?
Shit.
That fucking
Oh, what?
bacon and grape barbecue, fucking. Oh yeah.
Oh, man. With this and that.
I'm turning that.
That and this.
Turning
this
that
and
down. Oh yeah. This is gonna be redonkulous.
Damn.
You know what?
Look at that crispy. And the butter, fuck yeah.
Got standard chicken pub bites. If you don't know where to get them, well then fuck you. Butter makes it better. What good is being healthy if you ain't happy?
Amen. Amen. Ooh, look how crispy that one
Oh
is.
yeah,
Yes.
getting real good.
It like it's got a little topping on it.
See, it would have been nicer if we did these in like cubes or like maybe like spears.
Spears.
We're fucking lazy. You know what?
Kebabs.
We got some fucking pre-cut chunks. We trusted the fucking goofs at Safeway to cut a watermelon in any sort of reasonable geometric shape.
No, not
We were
today.
fucking wrong, you know?
So wrong. They didn't have any slices.
No.
Or full watermelons.
What the fuck? I noticed that too. Whew. That's good. That's got some kick to it.
It's a little spicy, as the white people would say.
Spicy.
Spicy on the nose.
Not like ketchup.
That works good.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful spread.
Right? The food doesn't look bad either. That fucking booty, big time, right? What was it? Thick with 2 C's?
I know you ain't said what I thought you said. She ain't bad, bro. Now watch your mouth. Just a little thick. Ginger, bitch, she juicy.
2 C's. That's what the kids are saying these days, I guess.
What is it for men? Is it like
It's not the same?
it's not the same?
Shit, I don't know.
I guess unless it's like a dick reference.
Oh, true.
Think with 2 C's for cock. All right, these motherfuckers are done. Look at those.
Oh,
Now we're in business.
Oh, man. Those are beautiful.
This blue stayed real nice. Get a zoom on that, because that's beautiful. That's a nice blue. You know, these are tropical looking as fuck. I cannot wait to eat them. Remember, fellas, the fastest way to a woman's vagina is through her stomach.
True. It's very true. You gonna keep those extras in there? Oh.
The extras? Hungry, are you?
Hey, girl. You hungry?
Fuck you, nigga.
I'm sorry. I was talking to the horse here.
The fucking 2 crumbs in the corner.
Oh, yeah, see? You gotta keep that.
Oh, I'm throwing it in with the chicken. Come on.
Yes.
I'm not retarded.
Everybody knows you never go full retard.
That's coconut oil, too. Fucking
Yeah. That's also ethnic.
ethnic, right? Tropical as fucking here. Need a palm tree. Everything I read.
Surprised you don't have one, actually.
I just moved in. Fuck.
Okay.
We don't. Yeah.
I'll get you one.
We don't
What's
even
your
have
husband
fucking
want?
dishes. We're eating off plastic plates and shit. Remember how I was looking for tongs
Very
earlier?
fancy.
Don't got 'em. I'm down with the brown. Get in here, girl.
All right, I'm going in. Is it hot?
Oh yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's fucking.
Is that damn good?
Yes.
Watermelon. Don't worry, you can eat the crispy bits.
Yes.
I know you got
Fucking
your
leave
eye
those
on them.
behind. No crispy bits get left behind.
That's right.
Puana means family.
Moana means
Actually, I think I said that all wrong.
You know what? It does. Ohana.
Ohana?
Yeah, Moana though. Yeah.
Moana, same.
Whatever.
Same place, culture.
Yeah.
I'm
Honestly, I was
Culture.
thinking Lilo and Stitch. You went Moana.
Yes.
I love The Rock. Doesn't matter. I can watch both those movies. Fuck. At the same time.
That would be amazing. I bet if you played them backwards, it's basically the same movie.
Or like a secret like incantation to like open the
Yeah.
gates of Hawaiian hell, which would be like a place with no pineapple or coconuts.
That's fucking terrible. I don't want to live in that world.
Like Russia. It's fucking cold.
Fuck cold all the time? Shit.
Full of white people.
Oh, hell
You gotta
no.
wear shirts and scarves and shit.
Yes. Mix it. Oh,
Forget
yeah.
socks and sandals. This is sex and sandals right here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, wait a minute.
Ooh. Yeah, you like that? Oh, yeah. All right. We got fucking chicken.
Ooh. Oh, my butt.
Chicken and watermelon.
Yeah, get that sauce.
Meets purple drank bacon barbecue.
Oh, shit.
Right? Holy fuck. Get a little bit more. Oh, there's some good bacon in there.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Diabetes.
The sauce, the bacon candy sauce.
Yo, this is nuts.
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't eat today just for this.
Yo, what have we done? Like, we just... I don't know if we can show people this.
Delete everything.
We'll eat it all.
Water.
Yeah. Need a glass of milk or something to go with
Spicy.
this. All right. So you want to squeeze me out of there?
I got you. I'm a mom.
You fed something with those.
I got that milk money. You got that milk money.
Don't call me.
Please don't call me. Just send your dick pics.
Just send the dick pics, yeah. And your availability.
Contrary to popular belief, dick
Yeah.
pics are okay.
On our next episode of Dirtbag Chef, how to cook up the perfect dick pic.
Ooh.
Actually, I was thinking about doing a seminar on those because I've sent some pretty fucking
Like
spectacular dick pics. They're art, yeah.
Yeah?
You get good reviews. The palm tree, the hammerhead shark,
Oh my god.
the fucking man
Are
in
your
the canoe,
like balls included? Like how do you put what's the tree part? the tip?
the leaves. The fuck you think a palm tree is?
I'm just trying to relate it to your dick.
Yeah, you use your dick as the stalk, and decorate and accessorize.
Oh, so you put like hats and shit on it.
Fuck yeah.
Oh.
Draw little faces on it.
Do that.
Do that.
If somebody sent me a dick pic and they decorated their dick, I would be totally fine with it.
Into the mouth. Nice.
I wonder if vagina pics would be like as good. I have so many ideas right now.
If you hold it open the right way and draw some eyes on it, you can give it that like aghast face. That.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to all the men in my life that are gonna be getting weird vagina pics for the next week.
Do it sideways, draw a little bun like an Arby's. Right? There's so many options.
And loads of that roast beef. All right?
You and Sage practices a lot, don't you?
We practice a lot of things.
I'm just gonna wait until she comes home.
You're just here when she gets home.
What's up, babe?
Hello, Sage.
Pants off, vagina open already.
I don't think she'd be upset.
That's cool.
She'd be like, "You make snacks?" I'm like, yeah, I fucking
Yeah,
do.
man.
Have you seen?
Oh.
Have you seen this shit? I'll make her a fresh batch. She's gonna shit her pants later.
Oh yeah, man.
In a good way.
You getting some tonight?
Getting some shitty pants? Wait a minute. I don't think that's what I want.
No, you're freaky, man.
Not into poo.
But have you ever tried it?
Tried poo?
Well, anything to do with poo.
Oh, I'm cool with anal. I just don't like shit.
You know, understandable. I'll try anything twice. So.
I guess. Maybe not being shit on. Hey, but you got kids though, so you're fucking free.
I've already been there.
Been there.
I'm a mom.
Yeah. All right, fellas, if you want to puke or shit on somebody, don't.
Send me.
It's fucking disgusting.
Yeah.
Send me a dick pic. Wow.
How about no, you crazy Dutch bastard?
No, what he said. Oh man.
I just about choked on my chicken there.
I don't know what's happening here.
Holy fuck.
Ah, good pun. This is great.
All right. Well, this has been Dirtbag Chef. Thanks for tuning in and go fuck yourself.
Bye.